The rain falls softly on the street, a rhythm only hearts can meet. Each drop a story yet untold, a fleeting moment, brave and bold. The clouds may hide the sun away, but through the gray there's light to stay. Every storm will pass in time, leaving skies that always shine. Oh, the rain is life, it calls my name, washing fears and healing pain. In every tear, a seed is sown. From the storm we've always grown. Through the rain we'll find our way. Tomorrow brings a brighter day. The wind may howl, the thunder roar, but every storm unlocks a door. It leads us closer to the stars. Through broken skies and battle scars, we fall, we rise, it's how we learn. The fire inside will always burn. Though the rain may dim the light, it guides us through the darkest night. Oh, the rain is life, it calls my name, washing fears and healing pain. In every tear, a seed is sown. From the storm we've always grown. Through the rain we'll find our way. Tomorrow brings a brighter day. Each drop is a whisper, a gentle plea, telling us who we're meant to be. Through every storm we're redefined, raise the gift that clears the mind. Oh, the rain is life, it calls my name, washing fears and healing pain. In every tear, a seed is sown. From the storm we've always grown. Through the rain we'll find our way. Tomorrow brings a brighter day. So let it rain, let it pour. Each drop opens another door. Through the storm we find our truth. The rain of life renews our youth.